Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change and install theme in Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I have a different kind of backgrounds will be installed and I can have access with the personalizing. So how to install the theme and how to access the theme with the Windows 11. So just open Chrome browser and just type Microsoft Store applications. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the Microsoft Store option. You will have the home, get started and productivity and Windows theme. So once you click the Windows theme, there are plenty of Windows theme will be free in your laptop. For your desktop, everything you can use. For example, if you love to have your Pride 2020 flags or Japanese Island Premium or Night Sky and Tree Houses, what are the themes will be there, everything will be free as you see here. So you can install and have access. What are the access you want, you can have access. For example, I just choose some Reclaim by Nature. I just select this option. So this is what the themes will be available. So the beautiful themes will be available. So it is 100% free. So just click here to get into the Play Store. Once you click this one, automatically it will open into the Microsoft Store, that is Microsoft Application Store. Yes, once I open the Microsoft Store, so automatically so get the application. Just click the get option. Once I get option, automatically my application, that is my themes, will be download in my laptop so that it is easy to have access. See, as you see here, so downloading my theme. So once it is download, automatically it will install. Just I click open. So once I click open, the theme application, that is personalized application, will be open here. So this is my personalizations and themes option from the settings. So I can choose my theme. So this is my default theme. So downloaded theme will be here. So I just select the theme. Automatically my themes will be changed in my desktop as you see here. So this is a beautiful option which is given from the Microsoft. If I want to change the next background, just right click and give next background, so will be available, so that it is beautiful. I can use a calm and neat background in using my desktop, so that I can see that I can refresh myself and I can have access with that. So using this option, you can download different kind of theme in your Microsoft Store and you can have access with that. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.